Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Salam, and in this video, I'm gonna explain about comparisons, word literature, and the common denominator. So, in the first one, the comparison job. Comparative job is to create new relationships between literary works and relations with things that have not been previously classed among literary works. According to Benedetto Croce, comparison designs a more formal operation applicable to any set of objects, and thus cannot design a field of knowledge. So, for the word literature, the discovery of an undiscovered common denominator, and analytically and necessarily true statement that bring us new knowledge only to the extent that it redirects our attention. The discovery of the fabrics of global literary communications, the model of world literature as global literary history, or the history of the global circulation of literary genres, on the other hand, sees its object as an archive to be explored rather than as an as yet non-existent things to be built. So how does today's world literature deal with the issue of common denominators? The first one is by replacing the missing conceptual or contextual pivots. The problem is obliterated. On the second one, what literature can and should be an assumption about the corpus of the relevance document, and thus unremarkable. The starting point rather than the goal both urge us to hasten. That is not to say that the world literature is complete, finished, dead, or useless as a research framework. Rather, the ambiguity of its designation, with the unfortunate suggestion of completeness and authority, needs to be corrected by making space for comparative projects with objects and relations that are not yet part of the world. So, what the common denominator? Finding the common denominator is a process of multiplying or dividing numerators to find one among the infinite equivalent and tautologous nomination, half for half, etc. That will be the most playable to whatever operation we have in mind to perform. This is simple in the world of numbers because those signs have no content apart from their mutual relations, which is not say that relation did not occasionally stumble on incommensurability. I think that's all about my video, and